Welcome to our channel, Nourish Nation. Today we're diving into the remarkable health benefits of pistachios, those tiny, flavor-packed nuts that are a powerhouse of nutrition. Known as a superfood, pistachios have been enjoyed for centuries. Not just for their delicious taste, but also for their numerous health-enhancing properties. So let's crack this open and explore why you should consider adding pistachios to your diet. Firstly, pistachios are a fantastic source of essential nutrients. They're rich in protein, fiber, and healthy fats, making them an excellent snack choice for those seeking a balanced diet. A serving of pistachios provides a good amount of protein that supports muscle development and maintenance, especially important for vegetarians and vegans. Another compelling benefit of pistachios is their heart-friendly nature. These nuts are loaded with monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, which help reduce bad cholesterol levels. Consuming pistachios regularly can contribute to better heart health and lower the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Pistachios are also packed with antioxidants. In fact, they contain more antioxidants than most other nuts and seeds. Antioxidants are vital for protecting your body against free radicals, which can cause cellular damage and lead to various chronic conditions. Regularly eating pistachios can therefore be a great way to boost your antioxidant intake and safeguard your overall health. Furthermore, pistachios are great for your eyes. They contain significant amounts of lutein and zeaxanthin, two antioxidants that play a crucial role in maintaining healthy vision. These compounds protect the eyes from damage caused by blue light exposure and are essential in reducing the risk of age-related macular degeneration. Additionally, pistachios can aid in weight management. Even though they're energy-dense, their high protein and fiber content make them a satisfying snack that can help control your appetite. Choosing pistachios as a snack can help you feel fuller for longer, reducing the chance of overeating later on. Choosing pistachios as a snack can help you feel fuller for longer, reducing the chance of overeating later on. Lastly, pistachios offer a boost to your blood sugar regulation. The fiber and healthy fats present in pistachios aid in controlling blood sugar levels, making them a smart snack for individuals with or at risk of type 2 diabetes. In summary, pistachios are not only delicious, but also come with a myriad of health benefits. From heart health to eye protection, weight management to blood sugar regulation, these little nuts pack a punch in every bite. So, go ahead, pick up a handful of pistachios and enjoy not just the taste, but also the incredible health benefits they offer. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more health tips.